Bentley Bentayga motor mount replacement. So we go over here, we remove aluminum panel that goes in here, remove this aluminum bracket, this one over here, this one, remove all these harnesses. These are the sensors. There's another sensor over there. To remove passenger side, you have to remove the alternator, obviously serpentine belt. There's a screw over here. There's one over here. There's two screws in the back here for the motor mount. On the driver's side, to remove this, you don't have enough room because of the oil filter housing and the oil pan shape. So what you do is you loosen up this subframe support. You loosen up. There's a bolt, one here. All these bolts, you loosen them up. You can remove it, but you can just lower it a little bit. This one. And then loose up the subframe. There's a bolt over here. There's one over here. You lower just enough. Make sure you lose all the bolts. Once this subframe lowered, then you have enough room to remove this. Also, you need a stand to lift the motor up. You lift it around this area for this part, around this area for this part. One note, if you remove the alternator, you have to disconnect the battery first. And the bolt for the motor mount is right in there. It's an 18mm socket. Same way with this one. You will not see it because of these brackets, but once you remove this, everything is visual. There are two sensors, one at the top, one at the bottom, one at the top. So this is how we get it done.